Hello everybody, I'm going to fix a couple control boards today. I got the parts and we're gonna start with this guy right here. I got some relays here and I'm going to get this one fixed up and send it probably sometimes this week or maybe next week. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna start by uninstalling this relay and let's do it. I asked my manager to order me 2 relays and they're gonna go this way but on the other side. It's a little bit smaller but it's the same parameters, so it should be all good to go. So let's get started. Well, this legs fell off completely. This one too. Yeah, this relay is busted 1000%. It's gonna come out easy now. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this relay is completely dead. And now I'm gonna just take this last leg. I need to create, well, not create, but just make sure this hole is open. Okay, good stuff. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the flux on this side, and on this side I'm just gonna clean it with some alcohol like this. Just clean it nicely, make sure it's all nice and clean, and then take this relay and put it back in. Boom, like so. Now let's put solder on one leg so it will hold it. Boom. Let me just push it back in a bit. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna solder all the other legs. And now we have an exposure here. You can see this guy, this trace line. I have to connect it to this part right here. So what we have to do, I will try to do it actually with maybe a little bit of flux and the solder. It might join. Let me just see. Maybe I can join them together like this. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it, but I just want to make a little like I want to put like a small piece of copper wire just to reinforce it so it's stronger. But technically it's all fixed up already. I just want to put this one in just to make sure it's stronger. I'll put it this way, like this, and let's see if I'm going to be able to do that. So now once I have enough flux here, solder, I'm going to wait and try to attach it. Okay, this is really good joint. This is really good joint. Let me just double check. Maybe just a little bit on the other side and it should be perfect. Sometimes it happens. So. I think it's good. Yeah, this is a good joint. Now let's just test it to make sure. Perfect. So this board is all good to go. I replaced this relay. This is an AC, I believe. No, it's not an AC control board. It's I think it's a power board from an oven. So I'm just gonna clean this and send it back to the customer. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching and take care. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys again and take care.